12:25 this afternoon. Thanks for staying with us. Well, one thing, if you were watching our show earlier this morning, I was talking about how the satellite imagery wasn't doing a very good showing those low-level clouds. Well, as the day's gone on and we've gotten a little more daylight out there, the visible satellite imagery does a little bit better. And so now you can really see that thick cloud cover. It's showing up a little bit more over us. And when you have cloud cover that thick, it's really just not going to break up. Now, the rain is staying well to the north and east, north of that warm front. There's also a cold front draped along in Texas. So the rain is in between the two fronts. And so there's a little bit of a battle going on between this warm front and the cold front. However, there's a lot more strength behind this cold front. You saw those colder temperatures to the north. It's much more significant. And so the cold front is going to win out. It's going to keep driving in. It's going to really wash out this warm front. And we are going to get colder as well. And it's going to bring some of this rain that's to the north back towards us, and we'll see some rain late tonight. But we stay dry during the day, and much of this rain is going to arrive until very late tonight, and much of the rain will probably be during the overnight hours. At 4 o'clock, we're just still seeing those cloudy skies. Notice, though, as we get to around 10 o'clock, that's when those showers start to pop up. We're not going to see a ton of them, but they're going to be scattered showers, and they're going to be light. It's not going to be real heavy rain, and we're not looking at any thunderstorms either. It's just a little bit too cool for that. But once the showers start, it's going to take a while for them to leave. This is at 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, and these are going to be our warmest temperatures all day. We're going to start out in the low 60s, but as that colder air comes in, we're going to see that our temperatures drop through the day. So at noon, we're still dealing with scattered showers, and temperatures will probably be in the mid-50s. As we get into the later afternoon, around 5 o'clock, temperatures are going to be about 50 degrees. So you might only want a light jacket in the morning, but by the afternoon, you're probably going to be looking for that heavy jacket, so you may want to plan ahead that our temperatures are going to be falling today, and still some scattered showers. Now, around midnight or so tomorrow night, we kind of catch a relative break, but notice the clouds still hanging tough, and actually, I think the rain showers are going to return a little bit for the next day. It's going to be kind of a wet, cloudy pattern. You'll see it on the 7-day forecast. Now, today, not wet, just cloudy. 72 for our high. That's actually pretty close to normal for this time of year. We're right around 70, 71 degrees. Winds not too bad, pretty light. And then tonight, actually not that chilly. We only get down to 62. We're dry for the first part of the evening, but after about 10 o'clock, we'll be dealing with those scattered showers. So if you're going to be out late tonight, you're going to want that umbrella. But it looks like it's not going to be that bad, but notice here, this is key, our low temperature is also our high temperature tomorrow. So we're going to start out in the low 60s early tomorrow morning, and our temperatures are going to drop to about 50 degrees in the late afternoon. And that's looking like our best chance of rain for tomorrow. It's still just scattered showers. It's not going to be a complete washout. And I still think we're going to be dealing with some isolated showers on Thursday. And notice, only a high of 52. Now, on Friday, we start warming up. That's when we'll get into the mid-60s. I think we're going to catch a relative break from the rain, but still a few showers. And the other thing to point out, notice there's no sun showing up in this 7-day forecast. Yeah, there's a little opportunity for some sun Friday and maybe New Year's Day. But other than that, I'm keeping the cloudy icons in there. I'm not too optimistic about those chances. Notice the warming trend. Even with the clouds, we keep warming up. A good southerly wind kicks in, so we're up to the mid-70s on Saturday. And then New Year's Eve, low 70s. Isolated showers, but not a washout either day. And actually, New Year's Eve, it's looking dry, at least the overnight hours. But another cold front comes in, and we get chilly, down to the mid-40s for early New Year's Day morning, and then only in the upper 50s in the afternoon. Just a few showers possible, but cloudy skies. So we may not see any decent sunshine until next Tuesday. So it's going to be a wait to see that sun. And we're going to have to watch that cold front for New Year's Eve. There's still some question marks in the exact timing, but once we pinpoint that, we'll definitely be keeping you updated on the latest. And hopefully we'll keep our fingers crossed that New Year's Eve stays dry. We'll have more news after the break.